Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install SoftEther VPN server on Ubuntu 24.04. First, install the required packages. Next, download the SoftEther VPN server package from the official website. You can use the following command to download the package directly. Once the download is complete, extract the contents of the package. Continue to change to the VPN server directory. Next, install the following dependency packages on the server. Then, run the following command to start the build process. Now, the make command will make two binaries from the source code. It will also check if your server environment can be used to run the Ether VPN server. As you can see, my server passed the check. To keep the file system tidy and clean, it's recommended to move the VPN server directory to the OPT directory. Now, the VPN server can be started with the following command. To have the SoftEther VPN server start automatically at boot time, we can create a systemd service unit for it. Continue to add the following lines to this file. Then, save and exit the file. After that, start the VPN server with the following command. Enable autostart at boot time. You can check its status with the following command. If there's a firewall running on your server, you will need to open several ports. For example, if you use UFW, run the following command. Now, we need to use VPN CMD to configure SoftEther VPN server. Choose one to configure the VPN server. The admin console is listening on port 5555. Enter the following IP to access the admin console. Then press enter to skip virtual hub selection. By default, the password for the admin console is empty. So, we need to set a password. Next, we need to configure a virtual hub in SoftEther. We can use the default virtual hub name default. Then, create a VPN account with the following command. You will be asked to enter a group name, full name, and user description. You can press enter to leave them empty. Next, set a password for this user. Run the following command to enable virtual NAT and DHCP server function. Otherwise, VPN clients won't be able to get an IP address from the VPN server. Next, we need to configure the NAT for VPN users. You will be asked a series of questions. Use the following settings. Now, to log out of the admin console, run the following command. Since we configure the VPN server as the DNS server for clients, we need to run a DNS resolver on it. We can install the bind9 DNS server. Once it's installed, bind will automatically start. You can check its status with the following command. Next, edit the bind DNS server's configuration file. Continue to add the following line to allow VPN clients to send recursive DNS queries. Save and close the file. Then, edit the following file. Add the following number to the options to ensure bind can query root DNS servers. Save and close the file. By default, bind enables nginx, which ensures that DNS responses are correct and not tampered with. However, it might not work out of the box due to trust anchor rollover and other reasons. To make it work properly, we can rebuild the managed key database with the following commands. Continue to restart bind 9 for the changes to take effect. Then, you need to run the following command to allow VPN clients to connect to port 53. Now, run the following command to install the Let's Encrypt client, certbot, from the default Ubuntu repository. To check the version number, run the following command. Now, you need to create a virtual host. Install and configure the nginx. Then, create the webroot directory. Set the nginx user as the owner of the webroot. Reload nginx for the changes to take effect. Once the virtual host is created and enabled, run the following command to obtain a Let's Encrypt certificate using the webroot plugin. Now, log in to the VPN admin console as root. Choose one to manage the VPN server. You will need to enter the password set in step 2. Then, run the following command to set the TLS certificate and private key of the VPN server. Continue to enter the following path for the certificate. Enter the following path for the private key. Next, log out of the admin console. Then, restart the VPN server. Now, you can use the Windows built-in tools to establish a VPN connection. Open the settings and select Network and Internet. Continue to select VPN and add a VPN connection. Then, enter the VPN connection details. Save the VPN settings, then select this VPN profile and click Connect. Once the VPN is connected, you can open Windows PowerShell and enter the following command to check your VPN adapter. Then, you should go to the following URL to check your public IP address. If it shows your VPN server's public IP address, that means SoftEther VPN is working properly.